Hello and welcome. This is my review of Guy Fieri's Flavortown. Look, an almost autographed box, and I'm trying out his mac and cheese bacon burger. This is a delivery only concept. Okay. Really cool branding, and a quick look at the burger. Put that down. I'm gonna cut it. Gonna give it a close up and then cut it in half for you. Right, there's a nice shiny bun. There's pickles, shredded lettuce, and it looks like a slightly toasted buttered bun. We got tomatoes. There's the mac and cheese. The burger. Underneath are some onions, and this looks like a hot mess. Can't wait to try it. Alright, you saw the close-up, and looks like a messy burger. This is about how big it is, so I'm gonna cut this in half, like I said. I'll show you the cross-section. It's already messy. There is the cross section of the burger. See, I believe it's an 80-20 beef patty. It looks like it's hand formed, and mac and cheese on top. I know this is kind of like a gimmick burger, but thought why not? It's supposed to be a signature burger, so let's give it a try. Right, those first two bites, I'm impressed. This burger is juicy. I'm getting a lot of cheese. I don't know if it's the mac and cheese or the melted cheese that looks like it's on top of the mac and cheese. So far, so good. The bottom bun is getting destroyed. It's shrinking and getting a little soggy, but the burger tastes really, really, really good. Bacon. This is a messy burger. Got a couple bites left. That last bite was a little bit bigger than I thought it would be. But another look at the cross section. Just lost something. But this is in this case, my location. I know each location is different, but this is super juicy, super tasty. The bottom bun does get destroyed. You can barely taste the mac and cheese, and the bacon doesn't really come through that much, just here and there, but the burger, and there's a certain cheesiness that's really good about this, and the juiciness of the burger is like perfect, and I'm giving this a 9.5. I didn't know what I was going to think of this because it has mac and cheese on it, but it works. It's a good product, and just overpriced at $12.99, and they force you to have it delivered. And if you order, you can get a free month of Discovery Plus if that interests you. And so 9.5 for the mac and cheese, bacon mac and cheese burger from Flavortown. Recently opened in the last 2 weeks in my area, and it's an exceptional branding. It's totally Guy Fieri, if you know who he is, if you ever watched his shows, you know who he is and what he's about. And this is good. I just wish it was a little bit cheaper, but I understand the concept, and he's really gone out of his way to help restaurants during the pandemic, and this is a home run. So, thank you for watching. Have a great day.